the mash.
It's now the Monster Mash.
The Monster Mash.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. Happy Halloween. Of course, I'm filming another Get Ready With Me for Halloween. I do this like every year since like 2020, so here's another one. And this year, I'm going to be Morticia Addams. I'm so excited. I should not be that fucking excited. Well, actually, yes, because it's Halloween. No, because it's late as fuck. Like, I'm getting ready just to get ready because I spent most of my day editing. So that's why I'm wearing the same shirt as my last video. Do not mind that. It's the same day, just hours later. Alright, I'm just gonna start getting ready, I guess. But I'm not really gonna do anything. Maybe just take some cute pictures. And that's what kind of started these Get Ready With Me's like every Halloween, every year since 2020. Like, honestly, that year, I didn't go out to like give out candy or like anything. I stayed inside, as you saw. If you saw that video, I'll probably put it up here somewhere. Like, all I did that video for was because I wanted to film a video, and because it was Halloween, I'm like, I want to dress up. I don't care if I'm not going anywhere. Did you guys do anything for Halloween? I was invited with my friends, but by the time I was done and like my video, the Art the Clown one, the one before this one, by the time I was done with that, it was already like 9 p.m. But I was trying to get that done. I was like, oh my god, like I'm gonna finish it. I want to upload it on Halloween. That was my goal, and I achieved it. It's up already, and that's why I'm getting ready like very late. I think it's like 11 p.m. Don't judge me. It's still Halloween. Oh, I forgot to mention, I already primed and like color corrected off camera. That way I could just get started with this. I was debating on being either Morticia or like a cute like animal, but I decided on her because I was like, you know what? Yeah, I'm gonna be her for Halloween. Now that I added this, well, I haven't said the products, but I use the Ace Beauty eyeshadow amplifying base in shade medium. That's what I put on my eyelid right now. And now to set it, I'm gonna use the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in light. I mean, this is not a tutorial. This is a Get Ready With Me, but I'll still show you my products. Like, I'm still gonna show you. I was gonna like drink something that's not water, but I decided against it. This is water. I'm gonna go in with this palette using the shade Mixed Media, this one. And I'm gonna put it all over my eyelid. Then I'm gonna go in with this palette, and I'm gonna go in with the gray. It's like in my last video. It's like grays. Oh, I forgot. So I actually watched this video on YouTube, and I'll link it in the description because I was inspired by her. So credit goes to her. So you guys can go watch it too. And I'm just gonna put the gray on my crease. This is not a tutorial. I just don't know what to talk about with you guys. But I can't believe spooky season is over. Like, it's done. And now obviously Thanksgiving is coming up, and then Christmas, the holidays. So that's exciting. I tried to get out some spooky looks for you guys before it finished. This is the only one left. I usually don't do much on Halloween. It's mostly like on probably New Year's when I actually do something, and that's when I film with my cousin because she comes to Vegas. Then I'm gonna go in with the Technique palette with this gray. Then I'm gonna use the Celestial Thunder from Dominique Cosmetics, and I'm gonna use the color Zero Gravity, this gray. I've seen so many creative Halloween costumes on TikTok. I was like, oh my god, like why didn't I think of that? Now that I did that, I'm gonna get a fluffy brush. I'm gonna blend it out more. So after the gray, I'm gonna add a black eyeshadow on the ends here, like just put it like right here. And then I'm gonna blend it out. I'm gonna add a little more, but I don't know if I should add it right now or after I do a cut crease. I'm gonna make the cut crease, which is a half cut crease, and I'm gonna use the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer in Fair Warm. I did it more towards like my eye, or like not my eye, towards my nose, because that's what she did, and that's what she said that the picture shows. So I did the same thing. Then before I do this one, I'm gonna set this with this Beauty Treats eyeshadow palette, and I'm gonna go in with the white eyeshadow. I'm gonna add a little bit more of the black eyeshadow. Now I'm gonna blend it. don't know if they're even, but they look pretty evenish. She has a winged eyeliner, but I don't think it's as dramatic as like my last video, so I'll make it like a regular wing. So I'm gonna use the LA Colors Graphics eyeliner. Now I'm gonna clean it up with the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in number 15 Color Light. I think they're even enough, and that's all that matters. The eyes are done. I'm gonna be applying the Halo Glow Liquid Filter in shade 3 Light Medium. But I'm gonna apply it off camera and then I'll be right back. Okay, I applied that off camera. Now I'm gonna apply the e.l.f. Hydrating Camel Concealer in Fair Warm. Alright, I blended everything out. I'm gonna set everything with the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Translucent Powder. And I don't know what color it is. 520B. Is that the thing? I don't know, but it's this color. And I think I'm gonna do it off camera as well because my phone is dying. So I'm gonna do this off camera. Alright guys, I'm back. I know it's a get ready with me and I kind of got ready like off camera. Not all of it though, but I think the last thing I was gonna set everything, right? I did that and then I baked under here. I already wiped it off. I don't know if I did this on camera. I don't think so, but I used the Wet n Wild contouring palette in Dulce de Leche, and I just used this one. And I also used the LA Girl Pro Concealer in Dark Cocoa, this one. I also added a little bit of highlight, and it's the Becca Cosmetics highlight in Champagne Pop. Oh, and then the lashes I use is Ioni ones, and the style, it just says Wispy Natural, and it's in Bianco Lasa. I don't know, that's the name right there. And then I added a little bit of Vaseline I have on my lips. Oh, and I added some black pencil eyeliner on my waterline, and then the mascara I used this, the yellow one, and then this one, the Great Lash, on my bottom. Well, on both actually. And then the lash glue I used was the Duo one. This one, I need a new one. I'm almost out of this, but now I just need my lips. She has red lips, so that's what I'm gonna do. And I'm gonna be using the Ioni. I think this is a weird title. Maybe I just have a dirty mind, but it's from Ioni. It's this color. I don't even want to say it, but it says Fat Lips Chubby Stick Lip Pencil. You're gonna tell me that's a never mind. Never mind. So I'm gonna use it to line my lips. Alright, scratch that. I'm not gonna use that one actually. I'm gonna use a different one. I'm gonna use the one I usually use, which is the NYX Espresso Lip Liner. That looks a bit better, not gonna lie. I have all these red lippies or whatever. I have the One Direction one. I have these two Revlon ones. One is like a very bright red and the other one is kind of like a darker red. And then the one I usually use, which is this one, but it's a lip balm. I don't know if I should use the lip balm or if I should go with this one. You know what? I'm gonna add the CoverGirl Clean Fresh Tinted Lip Balm in Bliss You Berry. Honestly guys, I'm really tired. Nice to meet you. I'm just kidding. Then I'm gonna add a little bit of this one, which is a Revlon lipstick. It's number 29 and it's called Dark Scarlet. So I'm gonna add a little bit. I don't know if that's giving what I want it to give. I'm also gonna add the One Direction lipstick. It's called Best Song Ever. I just kept applying more of the espresso one, like on the outside, not the outside, but like on the sides of my lips to make it like a darker red. Now this red, I don't hate this red. So the makeup's done. I think it came out nice. I think it came out good. But in order for me to complete the look, I'm gonna go straighten my hair. Because she has straight hair, right? Pretty sure. So I'm gonna go straighten my hair and put on the outfit and I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back. I was gonna do my nails. I was gonna put these on. Look how pretty they are. They would have gone with the vibe, but like, I don't know how I'm gonna function with them, to be honest, so maybe I shouldn't put them on. So I'll just save them for another time, but I was gonna wear those. This is the finished look. Let me show you a close-up. Well, what do you guys think of my Halloween costume? I think it looks good. I don't know guys. I'm feeling myself a little bit. Anyway, I hope you liked this look. I hope you liked this video. I don't know if I talked at times, to be honest. When I go back and edit, maybe I have talked a lot. I don't know. I always surprise myself when I'm editing. Like, I always surprise myself. Like, damn, I did talk a lot. I thought I didn't. But yeah, this was a get ready with me, even though some of it I did off camera, even though it is get ready with me. So I guess, sorry. I really enjoyed filming all those spooky looks that I did. If you like to see the pictures, they're on my makeup account, by the way. Other than that, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment if you'd like. You do not have to. Turn on the bell notification so you can get notified the next time I post, and you can see maybe holiday looks. I don't know. We'll see what ideas I come up with next month. Well, this month, because it's November 1st now. And if you'd like to follow me on my other social media accounts, they will be in the description and at the end of the video. Sadly, spooky season is over. It went by so fast. But anywho, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!
And it's a graveyard smash.
It's now the mash.
It's caught on in a flash.
It's now